What you're looking at right here is what I like to call midnight mode, or you might want to call super dark mode, where it's dark, but it's extra dark for when you're using your phone at night. Pretty handy to do, saves your eyes. It's a 2 or 3 step process. I'll show you how to do it right now. So if you have default setting, this is what your phone will look like. It's way, way brighter, as you can tell. And the home screen might look something like this. All your icons have colors. It's clearly not dark mode. So the first thing we want to do is enable dark mode on your phone. So let's go to the settings, then let's go down to display and brightness and choose dark mode. Instantly, the backgrounds of things are darker. We still have this gray outline around stuff that you can see. We'll get rid of that for midnight mode. First, let's come back out to here, tap and hold anywhere till we get this edit icon and jiggling icons. Tap on edit, tap on customize. Tap on this icon here to darken the background. See, it gets slightly darker when you do that. Go to dark mode, tap on always for dark mode. Now we have our icons nice and dark. Even in the settings, we have nice dark icons now to match our dark mode. Now the last thing we want to do is get rid of these gray borders around things and get rid of some of the more brighter white areas. To do that, go to accessibility, go to display and text size, scroll down to the very bottom, tap on reduce white point to turn it on. You can move this slider to however much you want, usually between 70 and 80. 80 was the default. And now if we go back to our settings, where we had those dark borders, they're not very visible anymore. And also, the whites are less bright. So give that a try. I call it midnight mode. You can call it super dark mode or whatever you want. But at nighttime, it's super useful to have. If this video helps you, like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which will show you how to set any song as a ringtone for your phone. Check out that video and I'll see you there.